Hi friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of giant thredup order. I have 2 of those boxes and I just wanted to show you what you can get in thredup outlet. I know not everybody can get it, but those of you that can, you can get some pretty good deals. So my name is Natalia. I'm from Mamatime, Mamatime Posh on Instagram, and here on YouTube, Poshmark store, Mamatime. And I love how they wrap everything so pretty with their polka dots. And of course, I reuse all the paper, or as much as I can, at least. It's not very ripped. So those items, most of them I paid around $3, which I think it's comparable to going to, like, you know, Goodwill or something. So this is first item. Actually got it for myself and I really like it. It's not special brand or anything, but I just thought it was cute. It's supposed to be a dress, but I was thinking of wearing it as a tunic. So this is the first item, and it was not a special anything. This brand I wasn't sure. Blue Haven is the brand, and it's another cute little casual, you know, dress top. I just got that for myself. All right, so next item we have, it's kind of boho vibe, open duster cardigan with pockets, this tribal print. I really like this, but it's only LuLaRoe, which I know most people don't pick up, but since I got it for a really good price, and their sizing is pretty oversized, and this is like really like meaty, almost maxi length, I thought it will be really cool, especially maybe in the fall, if not right now. So I think I will sell it, you know, even as a like beach, you know, to pop it over at the beach. That would be cute too. So next item is very boho. I also didn't know this brand, but it's new with tag. Looks like some kind of maybe boutique brand. Animal. But look at this, how cute. This is like, I think I looked this one up and it did sell pretty good. So it's super boho. It has like a very deep plunge neckline, and it's rompers, and you can tie them up on sides, and it's open in the back. I mean, how perfect is this for like vacation? So I got this. I'm very happy with this one. It's totally what's trending. So next item, this I did look up and it does sell pretty good for this brand. Didn't know it. Crystal-y. But I also bought it mostly based on style. Look at this embroidery. Kind of reminds me of like Johnny Was. And it's like this, and it's like that on the back. Like a really cute, meaty length casual dress. So I got it. And I just kind of went crazy there buying stuff. So, Sophie Max. Oh, out there, if you buy, I believe 20 items, you get 40% off. So I had to get at least 20 to get the discount. Sophie Max casual dress, very easy, you don't have to iron it. How cute is that? And this is extra small, but it's very oversized. I think even medium could fit. It's like meaty length. If anybody's interested in any of those things, just let me know in comments, or visit my online little closet at Poshmark. Toby, size small, and this is like a, it's not bright like on the video. This is more, I don't know, I can't see the color. It's like a dark maroon color. Just a casual dress. Oh no, there's like a damage here. I did not see that on pictures. I'll see if I can do something, maybe if I iron it gently. Next item, I thought this was very cute too, is this, oops, it's inside, oh, the Zara top, and I wonder if I'll keep it. Very soft, sorry for my dog. It's like a flowy blouse. Come on, come here. With like a animal print, snake print, and it has little, like a, what is it called, pussy bow neckline. That is very soft. Feels like silk, but I'm not sure. Actually, let me check. I think probably it's polyester, it's cut off, but it feels like silk. So it's probably, it could be silk. This one, Donna Morgan, which this brand sells pretty well, depending obviously on style, but I thought now again we have season for weddings and parties, since people are allowed to have them finally, and I think this is silk. Yes, 100% silk little dress, size 2. Pretty, and it's not as bright, it's not this vibrant color, it's more toned down, like a maroon almost. I don't know why video always does that. Cyrus, this little vest, very boho, midi length with this cool fringe. I thought it was really cool. I might keep it, we'll see. I'm trying to redo my wardrobe. I don't know if you guys ever felt this. I'm like in my early or 30s, and I feel like I have to redo my closet. I feel like I'm so messed up with my style. You know, where I live it's really hot, so you cannot dress all that, you know, cool, you know, fancy, or put many layers because it's just too hot. So, you know, you gotta go with shorts pretty much all the time. So I'm trying to redo my closet and like pick like my style and stick to it, which I really like this rock classic / bohemian style. Not too romantic, you know, but like studs. I like dark clothes and leather and like animal print. So I have to figure out my style. This is War brand. I'm sure you guys know this one. This is pretty good brand, but I wasn't sure about this little tube dress. But let's see, what fabric is this? Cotton and silk. That's pretty cool. You know, I'm thinking prom, maybe little dress. And what's next here? So yes, talking about my style, I'm trying to like look up all the things on, that's what I learned, to like look up on Pinterest the styles you like and start like pinning things that you really like and you think you would be very comfortable in, like seeing your own clothes, which clothes that you feel good in, and then start pinning it, and then you'll see what your style is then from that point on try to keep your closet that way and in that style, and that's supposed to help you like build your own style, make it more, you know, cohesive. This one is pretty good. It's Max and Cleo, which I sold before, and it's new with tag. It's a very pretty dress. It has those really cool like things, tabs on shoulder, like this, And then it's very pleated, like a chiffon, lined, very cute. And I mean, it's new with tags, so I thought it was worth getting. And it's polyester, but it's meant to be like silk. I have to try this on. It says size small, but it feels pretty big. It doesn't, it looks like medium, maybe even large. Very cute. Okay, what's next? So what is your style? Tell me in comments. Next one is a Monaco little dress. I focused on dresses because I feel like with tops you don't really get much of profit, you know, and with dresses you have a chance to, like, you know, sell them for a little bit more. This is nice. It's like a dress that you could wear, I think, to the beach or even swimming. It's kind of like nylon. Very cool. Pullover dress. Ooh, and this one I thought it was so cool. I wish it was my size. Banana Republic. Excuse me. This is the black dress with like perforated leather. I don't think it's real, but it's in good shape. It's a little dress. This is my style for sure. I like a rock. But it's unfortunately size 4, and I don't think I'll ever fit in it again. Okay, next item. Now this I bought based on style. This is nothing. This is Target brand, but I might keep it for myself. Look at this. Look how cool. It has this embroidery, and it has like this handkerchief or like shark bite hem, and it's kind of open in the back. And like a balloon sleeve, and this is real embroidery, so it gives me like, so yes, this dress gives me like Joni Was vibes. And you'll be surprised that, you know, if it's something that is in fashion right now, trending, then even if it's not fancy brand, you can still sell it for pretty good, you know, at least make some money. I'm saying if I make $10 on each item, then it's good, but I would like to get more. But then again, I get a lot more on some items, so if on the like bread and butter ones I can make $10 profit, that's fine, you know. Oh yeah, fun story is that I had dressed kind of like that, peasant style, with pretty like floral print, and it was it was like Walmart brand. I forget what's it called, Time and True. No, I think that's Target, but it was Walmart brand. I got it at Walmart. I got it on like clearance section for like $2, but it was very pretty, and it was kind of that style, like the black one, with like embroidery and like this peasant print and the balloon sleeves, very boho. And I wore it like 2-3 times, and then I sold it for like $20. So, you know, even Walmart can sell. I wouldn't buy it specifically for that, but since I already had it for myself, you know, I just made money. Okay, next one is Ellen Tracy, and this is just cute, casual, super soft dress with little high-low and open back. Ellen Tracy. This is so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep this. I have to try those things. But if you like anything, let me know. So next item is this, which I don't really pick up this brand, Boston Proper. It says size small, but I picked it based on this. Look at this cool umber style here. It's like red with black on the bottom, and it's like an open cardigan vest, midi length. I thought this was so cool. and I love red, so I don't know, but this is very pretty. So based on style again, and I'm learning that from some videos that I'm watching, not to just, you know, pay attention to the brand, but also to style more. And I have to say, when I feel like something is really cool, even if it's not really great brand, I sell it quickly. Maybe because I like it. I think there's something like that, that if you really give it good vibes, then it sells quickly. I don't know. Maybe there's just people that like things that I like. So this one, I know this used to be Anthropology brand, or one of them, but this is maybe more for fall. It's like a knit midi length dress, and it has cool like braided sleeve. Very nice. So this is box one, and I'm gonna pause now, and I'll have to film part two. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned and watch the part two, so you get to see other items that I got from the thredup outlet. Okay, bye.